Okay. That's whatever, okay? You can judge me on that. You can totally judge me on that. Because this is not sticking, not sticking, not sticking, and not sticking.
Your bitch won't party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame.
Hey beauties, so today we're gonna do something a little different. I don't remember which one of my social medias I saw it on. I want to say it was Snapchat. That was like one of those actual Snapchat videos that were being posted. I honestly don't remember who I saw that was trending at the time that had did it, but I really liked the video that she made. It was like a little girl. I think she was about maybe like 12 or 13. If anybody knows her name, please link it down in the comments so I can give her credit where credit is due for her video. What she decided to do was use every single color in one of her palettes, and she made sure it was her biggest palette that she had. The biggest palette anyone probably has right now, of course, is the James Charles palette. So we will be using this one and doing every single color. This is not a tutorial. I'm literally gonna fast forward this whole thing, besides if I have a comment or something to say about something. This is literally just me trying to squeeze every single color off of this big ass palette onto my two tiny microscopic eyelids. So everybody knows this palette is fucking huge. So I can only imagine what... Don't move, bitch. Oh no, it's moving. Most likely the look I'm gonna try to do is do as many colors on one eye, and then the colors that I haven't done yet I'll put on the other eye so I can create a whole look. I don't know, I might have to branch off into my forehead and my cheeks and shit like that. I have no idea, because this is a big ass palette and I'm kind of worried when I start getting to the shimmers like where I'm going to place them. Cannot do this if my hair is down. Lord, please get the fuck out my face. Ooh. I know normally people would do it like this, like do the row like this and like this. I kind of want to say I'm gonna split it down the middle like this and do all these colors on one eye, and then do all these colors on one eye, because I feel like that would work better, because like this can be a look and this can be a look, if you know what I'm saying. So we're just gonna get on with it. I'm not gonna point out exactly which color I'm using. I'm just gonna say I'm starting off in this row right here to start my buildup of color. At this point, I'm trying to fit them where I can. Even though I just started, I'm already worried that I'm gonna fucking not have a lot of space for all this. Oh my god, I hate that there's shimmers all right next to each other. I don't even know where the fuck I'm gonna put that orangey fucking... I don't even know how to describe that color. I don't even know where I'm gonna put that. At this point, I'm literally just guessing where this shit's gonna sit, because none of these colors are blending right. kind of reminds me of like a peacock or something. Finish it up with your, either if you're gonna put eyeliner on or you're not, put your lashes on. So I'll just put mascara, even though this shit is really dry. I know, cringe. So sorry that it's dry. Alright, my camera died, but whatever. You see what this is right here? This is so pretty. So I literally used every color on this side. And you can clearly tell I did. I even used some of it to shade my nose and underneath my eye. Even if I had to blend them with other colors, I still put them on, bitch. So it fucking counts. So this means that the next look we're doing is going to have all these colors. This one's probably going to be the hardest, even though they have colors that can actually go together, but that black is scaring me. Like literally all these colors just kind of morph together, so I'm gonna just let it do what it's doing until I finish like packing more and more product on, just to make it look like a decent color. Oh no. Okay, all right. I have absolutely no words for you at this moment, besides I'm sorry that you had to witness this garbage. Like just this part, it like won't stick. Like nothing's sticking here anymore. It's like I just cursed my eye, but nothing is sticking to this section, and I'm trying to figure out why. Okay. That's whatever, okay? That's you can judge me on that. You can totally judge me on that, because this is not sticking. Not sticking, not sticking, and not sticking. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put a big ass coat of eyeliner on to try to hide this shit. I can't believe how much ass I sucked at this eye. Alright beauties, this wraps it up for today's look. Even though this isn't really a look, I don't even know if it's a challenge. I don't really know what to call it. But I thought it was something cool that I saw that was trending, so I thought I'd try it. I literally used every color in the James Charles palette. That was the hardest thing I've ever done in my fucking life, trying to squeeze all of his colors onto my eye. I pretty much gave up on this one. I highly suggest you guys try it. It teaches you how to be a little bit more strategic about where you're placing your shadows, because I had a few issues with putting a color where it wasn't supposed to be or where it probably shouldn't have been. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button and come join the beauty team with me. Don't forget to click that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. Also leave a comment down below letting me know how you enjoyed this look and what you would like to see next. Don't forget to share with your friends. I really enjoyed doing this look for you guys. It was very, very hard. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, stay beautiful, queens.